Hello, it's your boy Greg. Just, using my iPhone 11 Pro in 2021. I'm here to answer the question, can you still use the 11 Pro in 2021? Yeah, it's like a year and a half old. It still has 3 cameras on the back. Has the one in the front for your face. Has the Face ID. Haven't been able to use that in public since March. I don't keep a case on it. Holds up just fine. It's running the latest iOS, Doesn't have the flattened edges like on the 12s, or like on the iPhone SE, the original from 2016, which is what I'm shooting this video on right now. From 2016, that's 5 years. That still works. Doesn't really hold a charge very well at this point, especially when you're shooting 4K video on it, but you can shoot 4K video on a 5.5 year old phone. Just keep your damn phone.